The third and final defense that I will go through is what's called the defense of honest and reasonable mistake of fact. This is perhaps one of the most surprising defenses available in the law, because it's actually a defense to a drink driving charge to show that you honestly and reasonably thought that you were under the limit when you were driving, even though in actual fact you were over the limit. It's important to understand that for this defense you've got to establish two things. First, that at the time of driving you honestly thought that you were under the limit, and second, and perhaps more importantly, that it was reasonable for you to think that. Now, unfortunately, the law doesn't give us a definitive test as to what reasonable means. It depends on the circumstances of your case, and what one judicial officer considers reasonable might not be considered to be reasonable by someone else. But the point here is that if you're in a position where you've been charged with drink driving and you didn't think that you were over the limit at the time, and in your opinion that was a reasonable decision to make, that is the decision to drive, then it may well be that it's worth talking to a lawyer about this defense, because it might apply to your case. Now, that is all that I wanted to go through in this video about defenses to drink driving offences. If you have any other questions, then feel free to call either myself or one of our other lawyers here at Condizus, and we'll be happy to go through it with you.